Spending 45 years traveling around the solar system takes its toll on a spaceship. NASA's Voyager 1 mission started in 1977, entered what scientists call interstellar space in 2012, and then simply kept going. The spacecraft is currently 14.5 billion miles beyond Earth. While Voyager 1 is still operational, scientists on the expedition recently noted that it seemed puzzled about its location in space without entering safe mode or raising an alert. A mystery like this is sort of par for the course at this stage of the Voyager mission. The problem is with Voyager 1's Attitude Articulation and Control System, or AACS, which maintains the spacecraft and its antenna oriented correctly. And the AACS appears to be operational, since the spacecraft is receiving orders, acting on them, and transmitting science data back to Earth with the same signal strength as before. Nonetheless, the AACS is delivering garbage telemetry data to the spacecraft's operators. The NASA statement does not disclose when or how long the problem has existed. According to the agency, Voyager workers will continue to research the problem and strive to either solve or adapt to it. That's a long procedure, because a signal from Earth takes 20 hours and 33 minutes to reach Voyager 1. Getting the spacecraft's return takes the same amount of time. According to NASA, the twin Voyager 2 probe, which was launched in 1977, is behaving properly. The power the twin spacecraft can generate is constantly decreasing, and mission team members have shut off several components to preserve power, moves they believe will keep the probes operational until at least 2025. The technical crew on NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft is attempting to solve a mystery. The Interstellar Explorer is functioning correctly, receiving and executing orders from Earth as well as collecting and returning science data. However, readouts from the probe's Attitude Articulation and Control System do not accurately reflect what is happening aboard. The AACS is in charge of the spacecraft's orientation. Among other things, it maintains Voyager 1's high-gain antenna accurately oriented at Earth, allowing it to relay data back home. All indications indicate that the AACS is still operational, but the telemetry data it is producing is invalid. For example, the data may appear to be created at random or may not reflect any probable condition of the AACS. The problem hasn't triggered any onboard fault prevention mechanisms, which are meant to send the spaceship into safe mode, a condition in which only critical functions are performed, allowing engineers time to detect a problem. The signal from Voyager 1 hasn't degraded either, indicating that the high-gain antenna is still oriented correctly with Earth. The team will continue to closely monitor the signal in order to ascertain whether the erroneous data is coming directly from the AACS or from another system involved in the production and transmission of telemetry data. The team cannot predict how long the spacecraft will be able to gather and transmit science data until the nature of the problem is better understood. Voyager 1 is presently 14.5 billion miles from Earth, and light travels that distance in 20 hours and 33 minutes. That means it takes around 2 days to send a communication to Voyager 1 and receive a response, a delay that the mission team is used to.